Have you ever felt afraid to speak English? Do you worry about making mistakes? If so, you're not alone. Many English learners feel the same way. Today, you'll learn how to overcome that fear and start speaking English naturally. We'll do this through a short, inspiring story and some very useful vocabulary. Ready? Let's begin. Once upon a time, in a cozy little town, there lived a young man named Alex. Alex spent his days in a quiet bookstore surrounded by stories from all over the world. He loved reading English books. He understood the words, the grammar, everything. But when it came to speaking, a wave of fear washed over him. Alex firmly believed his English just wasn't good enough. The thought of making a mistake, of someone laughing at his pronunciation, kept him silent. One sunny afternoon, the bell on the bookstore door chimed, and a foreign traveler walked in. She had a warm smile and a curious look in her eyes. She approached Alex and asked, "Excuse me, can you help me find a book?" Instantly, Alex's heart started to pound. He felt that familiar nervousness creep in, but this time something was different. He took a deep, steady breath, looked at the traveler, and replied, "Yes, of course. Please follow me." As he led her through the aisles, the traveler started a friendly conversation. They talked about their favorite books, about life in a small town, and about her exciting travels. Alex found himself talking more and more. Yes, he stumbled over a few words and made some small mistakes, but the traveler didn't mind at all. She listened patiently, smiled, and encouraged him. In that moment, a powerful realization hit Alex. Communication is so much more important than perfection. It's about connecting with another person, not about having flawless grammar. From that day forward, everything changed for Alex. He made it a point to practice speaking English every single day. He talked to customers. He practiced with language apps. He even started conversations with other tourists. Slowly but surely, his confidence began to grow, and his English improved more than he ever thought possible. Now, let's learn 5 important words from Alex's story that will help you on your journey. First, we have afraid. Afraid means feeling fear. For example, Alex was afraid to speak English. Are you ever afraid to speak English? Next up is quiet. Quiet means calm and not noisy. Alex worked in a quiet bookstore. It's a great word to describe peaceful places. Our third word is traveler. A traveler is someone who travels from place to place. In our story, a foreign traveler entered the store and changed Alex's life. Then there's nervous. Nervous means feeling worried or stressed, especially about something that's about to happen. Alex felt nervous before speaking to the traveler. It's a normal feeling. Finally, we have confidence. Confidence is the belief you have in yourself and your abilities. Alex's confidence grew day by day. Building confidence is key to learning any new skill. So, what's the lesson from Alex's story? Remember, you don't need perfect English to start speaking. All you need is a little bit of confidence and a lot of practice. Just like Alex, you can do it. Listen to stories, learn new words, and most importantly, start speaking English naturally. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this story and want more English lessons like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. We can't wait to see you in the next story.